level.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys this eyeliner that I just tried today. So this is going to be a first impressions video, and I do want to say that I'm so surprised with how it came out because I haven't done eyeliner in so long. But this is the Mia's Calliliner, I think is how you say it. This is like a calligraphy pen eyeliner, and it is a liquid felt tip brush. It is supposed to be ultra black, waterproof, smudge proof, and it's supposed to stay all day long. It retails for about $14.99, which is great because I find that this is almost exactly the same as Stila's Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner, except that eyeliner is $22. So if you're looking to kind of cut down, save a little bit of money, I would definitely check this eyeliner out. It has the same exact finish. It applies the same exact way. It's just amazing. So this is a sponsored video. This eyeliner was sent to me, and obviously I wanted to try this eyeliner because I haven't done eyeliner in so long, as I'm sure you guys have noticed from my videos. I used to love doing winged eyeliner, and then I just kind of stopped. I got lazy, and then I started getting intimidated every time I thought about doing it. So I really wanted to recreate this look that I created a couple of years ago, where I did like an elongated winged eyeliner with red shadow on my waterline or my lower lash line. So that's what I did today. I will show you guys how I applied it, and then my thoughts during as well, and then I'll let you guys know how I like it afterwards. Yeah, so if you want to see how I did my eyeliner today, then keep watching. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit of a challenge for me because I am in my living room, not in front of a mirror, and I have to hold a mirror up with one of my hands, which normally I kind of stretch my eyelid a little bit to apply my liner. So also I haven't applied liner in forever. A little bit nervous about this. This is the All Day Calligraphic Eyeliner. It's supposed to be like a calligraphy pen. Brush tip eyeliner, and I'm really nervous because it is a liquid, but it's waterproof and it's smudge proof and it's ultra black. So you kind of have to shake it like this to get the ink out. I'm gonna be using that with a brush, a concealer brush, and a concealer, and I'm using the Benefit Boing. So this is just going to be used for any mistakes that I make. So probably will be making a lot of them. So bear with me, because like I said, it's been a really long time since I've done an eyeliner look. And oh my lordy, my eyebrows need to be waxed. If you guys want an eyebrow waxing video, let me know. Dang, they grew back fast that time. I'm not wearing any makeup right now because that way if I do make mistakes and need to wipe it away, it won't mess up my face makeup. Sometimes I'll start on my lid first to get like the thickness that I want. Sometimes I'll start down here, but today I think I'm gonna start on my lid. Okay, well, so far, so good. This is actually really dark, really, really black, which I love in an eyeliner. So once I have that done, I'm going to wing it out and hopefully get the wing that I want. That's definitely not the wing that I want, guys. So the good thing about this that I'm noticing is when you take a concealer brush and whoosh it like that, it actually does a great job at moving the product a little bit. It doesn't dry super fast. So if you kind of want it to be like a little like wisp, then that's what I like. So I'm just sharpening it up a little bit. Alright guys, so that's it. Like I said, this is almost exactly the same as Stila's waterproof eyeliner, but much more affordable. I think it retails for $14.99, so you're saving about $7. So far, I love how my eyeliner came out. I'm really surprised actually that I did such a good job for not having done eyeliner in so long. I will say that it was, for me, it was a little tricky trying to get control of it just because I haven't applied something like this in forever, but it was a lot easier than using like a brush. Like, you know, those eyeliners that you screw off the top and then you apply it with like the little brush and you have to dip it back in. I hate those. This is more like a calligraphy pen. So in my opinion, it's a lot easier to control. The only thing that I don't necessarily like about it, and it's just a personal preference thing, is it's not matte. It's more of like a satin, I guess. Like it's a little bit shiny. I'm more of like a matte black kind of person. However, like I said, this Stila eyeliner, which everyone knows and everyone loves, also has the same finish. So if you really love the eyeliner, I definitely recommend checking out this one because it's a lot cheaper. That's pretty much all I have to say. If you guys want to check them out, I'll have the links down below, and then I'll also have my Instagram below as well if you guys care to follow me. If you have any questions about this, leave them down in the description or in the comments and I will answer. I'm gonna be posting this video, or I'm gonna be editing it later, so I'll let you guys know in the description box my thoughts on the eyeliner at the end of the day, just because I won't have time to film later, but I will let you guys know in the description box like how it wore at the end of the day and all that good stuff if you guys are interested. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.